Hi there, I'm Shruti, the trainer for your course on Kaizen 5S. Learn to get organized. I have 15 years of corporate and entrepreneurial experience. I'm running a company which provides life coaching and corporate training to individuals and groups. I have trained many people on the subject of Kaizen. Today they have improved workplaces, safer places to work, greater profits and productivity. Kaizen means a process of continuous improvement and change for better. In this quick 30-minute course, you will get well equipped and learn all the skills that you need to get organized. You will definitely see increased productivity and efficiency at your work wherever you are. The course is designed in the form of simple lectures, a small quiz, some downloads and links which are available in the resources section. This course is for professionals, managers, team leaders, all employees and anyone who wants to learn to get organized. This course is for anyone who is struggling to increase productivity and safety at work, wants a better, clean, clutter-free environment to work or at home. Keep investing in yourself, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the course.